was I doing last time? Excuse me. Jeez. What item do I have? I have the bomb. I also don't have a face. A key. My key. Sir, I'm gonna need you to blow up. There you go. Not at me. Apparently last time I took damage, they go easier. Why are those guys filled with popcorn? That's kind of slightly disgusting. So who's pooping down here? Who comes down here to poops? What is Mustang? Okay, let's go. Slot machine. Amazing. No money. Oh good. It's plus. Oh good. It's plus. Ow. No. No. Stop. No. Stop that. Jesus. Me. Ow. You know what? Oh. Apparently I'm not good enough at this game. Apparently I am terrible at this game. You know what? Let us... You run. Who haven't I done anything as? I haven't done anything as Lazarus or Magno. I'm gonna go as Magno. Because tank! Problem is the game rewards you for doing everything that Magno lane is designed to not do, which is to say, the game rewards you for taking the damage. I don't have a bomb yet. We'll come down here and get my item. Oh, let's see, what's my item? 99 bombs, or take damage for whatever the crap that is. I should probably have my cheat sheet open on my browser, so I can know what I'm doing, you see. Just a little. Items. Let's see. In fact, because I'm using it as such, bookmark. Isaac. Change my bookmark from Rebirth to Afterbirth, just so I have it. Okay, the frick is this item? What happened to the background on the page, dude? Okay. Done. Looks like it has a light on it. Is it a new item? It might be a new item. It is a new item. It's an Afterbirth item. That's Curse of the Tower. 99 bombs or Curse of the goddamn tower. I'm gonna take bombs. Oh good, more bombs. Probably should have waited to pick those up until after I'd used them. What's in here? An item. What sort of item? Shielded Tears! Oh, this is a beautiful run. This is already the most beautiful run ever. I have Shielded Tears. This game is good. Die already! Jesus! Hey. I have Shielded Tears. This run is going amazingly. Just no doubts about it. This floor is silly. Oh jeez, this was not the plan. This was 100% not the plan. But I already have a soul hurt, so if I just avoid taking more than one more piece of damage, I should go. And this is probably up here. It is. You know what? I'm just gonna take a little walk down here. And remember to pull up the chat again if you can. Helps to be able to see who's talking to me in case anybody's talking to me. Pick that up and just immediately have that. Then walk back and then do the boss fight. No idea if the boss fight's going to reward me for having shield meters though. It's not really. Kind of slightly. Oh man, do I ever need what? Am I ever gonna need a fire rate boost? Just having a curtain of shield it's going to be beautiful. Problem being I need to kill this guy. He's sort of being a jerk about it. If I just don't take damage on the boss fight, that'll be awesome. Yeah! Oh, 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 oh. Oh, my heart. Oh, 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 that soundtrack. Oh, that beautiful soundtrack. Oh, that beautiful soundtrack. Oh, man. Oh, 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 right! This boss is totally rewarding me for that. I'm just gonna sit here. So I can just do this for a while. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that was nice. Meet you. Meet you's not bad. Having more shields. Welcome to I Am the Tank. The run. Perfect. Let's go. And okay. Ta-da. Make sure to kill that. Pop all these poops. You never know when they have things in them. Like a freaking Eternal Heart, what the hell? Really? Wow. Just wow. I'm coming back for that later. Okay, sirs, I'm gonna... Sirs, can you actually get, like, hit and stuff? Sir. Oh, ah! Ugh. Spiders are not fun. Spiders move erratically. At least flies sort of just move normally. Oh, stop stopping! Just choose a direction and go! That's what I like about flies. They very slowly move. They just sort of go the place, do the thing. What even is this? I forgot. Penetrative shot and speed up. Okie dokie. Oh crap. Oh wait, no, I have bombs. Ow. Oh good. More bombs. I mean, I suppose? No? Okay. Maybe up here then. Yeah! Oh good, money! Just what I need. Ooh, 2 nickels. Nice. Nickels is always good. Means now I can use my other key to go up here. And that's the black candle. That's curse me. Nab. And now to blow you up, because money. Or I suppose spiders. Thanks game, thanks for making a liar out of me. Ah. And then yeah, I'm gonna donate. The whole point of doing this run is donating. I have a candle on my head. I am silly. Don't pick that up yet. You're gonna take damage, you just know it. Oh good, this room. really just any room that... Oh, ah, yes, perfect. Penetrative shots. I kind of forgot how amazing they are. I have penetrative shielded shots. I have... Oh. The bomb. Bombs! I don't need bombs, game. I no longer have a need for bombs. If you could do me a favor and stop giving me those. Okay. What's it? Freaking really? Oh, it's stupid. Oh, just gonna walk in here and oh, there's another heart in there. Let's just have red hearts for a while. That reminds me. Did I leave that on the previous floor? I might have left it on the previous floor. Nope. Okay, self, make up your mind. No, I left it in this room. Right. If I'm going to have this many heart containers, I might as well hold on to the healing. I don't need the bomb button. I used him to get into the super secret room. Oh, good. This guy's my favorite. My favorite. I'm just gonna need y'all's explodes. No, explodes. Stop hopping. There you go. Don't drop it there yet. That wasn't what I meant to do. Oh well. There we go. Perfect. Now I have plenty of health to deal with. Ooh, ow. Just blow him that. Oh, right. Oh, I see. He didn't blow himself up. Jesus. Oh, good, I'm tiny. Well, kinda wanna get some angel rooms, and I have plenty of bombs using those angel rooms, so I'm not taking either of those. Boop. Boop. Yeah. This is a good run so far. I'm liking this. This is a Maggie run. It's a good run. It's weird. Oh, no, you don't. Oh my gosh, I forgot about these guys. I need, like, damage ups. But I can just, like, block their cheer. Oh my gosh, this is good synergy. I just need to, you know, actually be able to do damage. Not taking that yet. Oh, this is stupid. What? Oh, okay. Have Flight go over there and open some red chests. You're already sinning. Why? Might as frickin' well. Ooh, a key. That's good. I'm gonna need that in a second here. Could you, like, die already? Could you, like, die already? Penetrative shots plus shielded tears equals amazing? I'm gonna go with amazing. But, sirs, I'm gonna need you to, stop being smart for a second. This is silly. Oh, jeez. This is stupid. This is amazing. I don't even have to do damage. I could just stop getting myself from getting hit for a while. No, stop farting bullets. It's weird. It's weird. Stop it. No. Well, I had spectral tears too. Only I had transcendence. What's in here? What's in here? Okay. Okay. Is it down here? I bet it's down here. Probably not down here, actually. Is it up here? I have plenty of bombs. I can waste them. Ah, good. Soy milk. Favorite. Well, I could pick up cancer, too. That would make things stupid. Did somebody say there were bullets around? I don't think there are.